And now we can pry this one. It will come off already. There you go. Yep, it's all removed. Okay, it's already removed, and we're gonna replace this one also. The half moon, two of them, one on the front and one on the back there. I'll remove that one now. That's the top one. Sorry, that's the front one. And we're gonna remove also the back one. Okay, remove the back one. There you go. That's the back one.